Struggling to gain weight despite trying everything? Well, you don't need to watch any other videos after this one. This video shares evidence-based tips to help you gain weight in a healthy way. Hello everyone, welcome to Goddess Glowup. So, what are the most effective evidence-based strategies for weight gain? Let's find out. First, check if you are normal skinny or underweight. There's a difference between the two. Being underweight or extremely skinny can lead to serious health issues like poor immunity, anemia, hair and skin problems, and fatigue as well. Being underweight weight is having a BMI below 18.5. If you want to know your BMI, just comment down your age, gender, height, and a weight, and I'll let you know where you fall. Protein intake. Protein is one of the most essential nutrients for healthy weight gain, playing a pivotal role in muscle growth and development. Protein helps in weight gain by building and repairing muscle tissue, which increases muscle mass. Sufficient protein intake also supports muscle growth and recovery after strength training exercises. Right way to consume protein. Check your body weight and eat accordingly. Let's say, for example, your weight is 40 kilograms. So you need to eat 1 gram of protein to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of your weight. So for a 40 kilograms weight, you'd need 40 grams to 48 grams of protein per day. But for advanced muscle building or athletes need to eat 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram or more accordingly. Now, before talking about calorie intake, you need to know about caloric surplus. When you eat more calories than your body needs for energy, the excess calories are stored as fat, leading to weight gain as it provides your body with the necessary energy to build muscle mass and store fat. To gain weight, you need to consume more calories than your body expends. Or you can say, you need to eat more calories than you burn. Increase your overall calorie intake. Add calorie-dense foods to your meals. Here are some examples. Avoid consuming bad or empty calories, as they increase the risk of chronic diseases. Instead, focus on good calorie foods that provide essential nutrients to support overall health and achieve a healthy weight. Healthy fats are also necessary for weight gain as they provide healthy calories and support hormone production, aiding in healthy weight gain. They are very necessary for overall health, especially for our reproductive system, brain, heart, etc. Avoid trans fats as they increase cholesterol levels, contribute to unhealthy weight gain, and negatively impact overall health. Meanwhile, eating healthy fat supports your weight gain journey and provides essential nutrients. Eat healthy meals and snacks frequently. You don't need to eat bland or tasteless recipes. You can make healthy dishes that are also delicious. You should follow the 80-20 diet rule, where you eat nutritious food 80% of the time and allowing yourself to eat comfort food 20% of the time. Comment below, what is your favorite food and dessert? Power of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are important in weight gain because they provide energy for workouts and daily activities, support muscle growth and recovery, offer calories for weight gain. In short, carbs help fuel your body, build muscle, and support healthy weight gain. Probiotics also support gut health, nutrient absorption, boost immune function, and also aid digestion, promoting overall well-being. Here are some examples of probiotic-rich foods. Beverages. Consume beverages that will help you gain weight and are also very nutritious, like high-calorie shakes, smoothies, and protein shakes. Some examples of weight gain drinks. Comment below if you have any questions related to this topic. Who should work out? Of course, every single person should work out, but there are some exceptions for certain individuals. You shouldn't do heavy workout if you have vitamin B12, D or iron deficiency. Consult a doctor, take supplements accordingly. and do light workouts until you've recovered from the nutrient deficiency. Once recovered, you can progress to heavier workouts. You can also consider a high-impact weight gain workout if you want to. It's not only helpful for weight gain but also for overall health. Here are some examples of the most effective workouts for weight gain. If you're new to working out, you must not start with a sudden 1-hour session. Instead, begin with 20 minutes workouts daily and gradually increase the duration as your body adapts. If you don't want to increase the time of your workouts, you can stick to a 20-minute workout every day instead. It may take time, but it's worth the wait. I've seen some people say you need to do hours of workouts to gain weight, and lifting weight will make you bulky and manly. But both are wrong. Short, intense workouts are effective for weight gain as well. You don't need to spend hours in the gym. Lifting weights won't make you bulky and manly. It helps build muscle, which can enhance strength and physique. If you are a woman, you should work out according to your body type and needs, because women and men have different hormones and physics. If you think eating too much junk food can make you gain weight, well, sorry to disappoint you, but that's not true. Consuming junk food regularly can result in unhealthy weight gain, often storing excess fat in undesirable areas, like the abdominal region. It's not just that, but consuming junk food also leads to numerous health problems, hormonal changes, low energy, skin and hair issues, etc. Don't consume random supplements you see on the internet. Many can be harmful to your health, have serious side effects. Always consult a doctor before taking any supplements. Remember, real food works better than any supplement and is far more beneficial for your overall health. Do you really need protein powder? Well, no, you don't really need any protein powder if you don't do heavy workout. Protein helps with muscle building. If you don't do heavy workouts, you don't need protein powder. If your goal is normal weight gain or low impact workout, you will get all the protein you need from your daily food. Importance of sleep. Weight gain happens much faster when your body gets enough rest, aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. And always remember, do it for yourself and your health, not to fit into so-called beauty standards. Weight gain or even weight loss takes time, so be patient with it and treat your body like your baby. Remember, health is wealth. Comment below if you have any questions related to this topic.